Hey, what's going on, everyone out there in this great land of YouTube? It's Jack. I want to start out with a quote by Nelson Mandela. It goes like this: I am the captain of my ship. I am the master of my soul. Well, tomorrow's Independence Day for the United States. I hope independence for all globally. I just wanted to say this. It's the 1% challenge that I always talk about. If we give forgiveness, peace, unity to ourselves, our neighbors, and the people walking next to us on the street, miracles change in a blink of an eye. And by next year, if we all do this 1% challenge, 1% more than we did yesterday, you won't believe what will happen and how it'll transform your life and the rest of the world and everyone who's watching. I want to end with this. Check this out. There was an article with the Dalai Lama, and he was asked, what if Buddhism doesn't agree with quantum physics? And the Dalai Lama said, well, then Buddhism has to change. I love all y'all for watching. Remember, if we stand for something, we won't fall for anything. Choose love.